Hello, and thank you for using Cervi. Before you begin, visit the Cervi website and take a moment to watch the video on how to use the Evalyn HPV self-swab test. You can also download the Evalyn PDF guide. Now that you've watched the video, let's get started. Open the Lancet pathology form, which is included in your Evalyn HPV self-swab test kit. Fill out the pathology form with your details, including your name, ID number, contact details, and any other required information. This information is essential to ensure your test results are properly attributed to you. Please ensure all information is accurate. Don't forget to carefully read the instructions or questions on the form and provide clear responses where needed. Once you've completed your form, please sign it to confirm the accuracy of the information. With your pathology form completed, it is time to collect your swab sample. Open the swab kit carefully. Follow the instructions from the animated video you watched earlier to ensure the swab collection is correctly performed. It's a straightforward process. The video you watched earlier will guide you every step of the way. After the swab collection is completed, place it securely in the specimen bag provided. Ensure that the swab is properly sealed to prevent any contamination or damage while being transported to the lab. Once you've securely placed your swab sample in the specimen bag, it's time to arrange for your sample to be collected. Log into your profile on www.cervi.co.za. Then, initiate the collection process by providing the required information. This will notify our courier service to collect your sample from you. When our courier arrives to collect your sample, please hand over the sealed specimen bag along with the completed pathology form. Your sample will be transported to our lab where it will be analyzed. You will receive the results of your HPV screening via the contact information you provided on the pathology form. We aim to provide timely and accurate results to ensure your peace of mind. Remember that you can use the Cervi website to schedule your HPV vaccine administration at any of our partner pharmacies. Congratulations on successfully completing the Evalyn HPV self-swab test with Cervi.